श्वेता।
मैं हूं चैतन्य।
नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माइंड बेंडर। Today we are going to talk about Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji's mysterious death, which still remains a question unanswered.
So before we go ahead with his death, first let me tell you all a little bit about the great Lal Bahadur Shastri. शास्त्री जी भारत के एक जाने माने फ्रीडम फाइटर जिन्होंने अपना हाई स्कूल छोड़कर महात्मा गांधी के नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट ज्वाइन किया और बाद में आजाद भारत के प्रधानमंत्री भी बने और उन्होंने 1965 के इंडो पाक वॉर के दौरान अपने जय जवान जय किसान के नारे से पाकिस्तान को मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया।
I guess he must be the first dropout who became the prime minister, isn't it?
Looks like that. जब 1965 में इंडो पाक वॉर फायर होने लगा तो यूनाइटेड नेशंस और सोवियत यूनियन ने आगे वर्ल्ड वॉर जैसा सिचुएशन ना बने इसीलिए सीज फायर अनाउंस किया। सीज फायर मतलब स्टॉप द वॉर बिटवीन इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान।
But why did the UN and Soviets come in between?
See, it is believed that UN was established with the sole purpose of maintaining peace and avoiding world wars, and thus they had to intervene.
But did it end the war then?
Yes, the agreement to stop the war was signed by the Prime Minister of India, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and the President of Pakistan, General Ayub Khan, on 10th January 1966. It was named the Tashkent Agreement.
And one day later, news of Shastri Ji's death came out, leaving people in shock.
Absolutely, the entire nation was shocked. एग्रीमेंट साइन होने के ठीक एक दिन बाद मतलब 11th जनवरी 1966 की रात को लाल बहादुर शास्त्री का डेथ हो गया। उनके मौत के पीछे का कारण हार्ट अटैक बताया जाता है।
But the family wasn't convinced with this. In fact, मैंने तो ये भी सुना है कि उनकी वाइफ मिसेस ललिता शास्त्री का ये कहना था कि उन्हें जहर देकर मारा गया है because they found some suspicious marks on his body. शास्त्री जी की लास्ट बातचीत उनकी बेटी सुमन से हुई थी 10 जनवरी 1965 की रात में। उन्होंने उसे कहा था कि वो एक गिलास दूध पीकर सोने वाले हैं और फोन कट गया। पर जब सुमन ने दोबारा कॉल लगाने की कोशिश की एग्जैक्टली 15 मिनट बाद तो उसे पता चला कि शास्त्री जी अब इस दुनिया में नहीं रहे। But the thermos from which Shastri ji had milk that never came back to India. Isn't it ridiculous, Chaitanya?
Absolutely ridiculous, and the most essential evidence, how can that just be left out?
Next fact, which is more crucial, is the marks on Shastri Ji's body. Blue spots on his stomach. Anil Shastri, Shastri Ji's son, said in an interview that Shastri Ji's face was totally blue and there were white marks on his forehead. And when he asked the doctors, so the doctors said कि heart attacks और इन marks का कुछ connection ही नहीं है. No postmortem was done, yet there were cut marks on his body. पहली बात तो postmortem क्यों नहीं हुआ? And second, अगर postmortem हुआ ही नहीं, तो ये marks कहाँ से आए? Stomach cut कहाँ से हुआ?
जी हाँ, this is what provoked the conspiracy theories. As either the evidence was missing or there was no explanation for all these questions that the family had asked. Shastri Ji's personal physician says Shastri Ji had no cardiac or any kind of health issues that could have led to such a fatal heart attack.
You know, Chaitanya, there is more fishy part to this entire story. When finally a committee was established to find the truth in 1977 named the Raj Narayan Committee. Before hearing, 2 eyewitnesses mysteriously get hit on the road. One dies while the other loses his memory and his legs. So the first one, जब शास्त्री जी के डॉक्टर R.N. Hu जो कि शास्त्री जी के साथ ताशकंद गए थे 1977 में, ठीक एक पार्लियामेंट्री बैठक से पहले मिस्टीरियस तरीके से उनकी मौत हो जाती है, जिसमें जब वो शास्त्री जी के इन्वेस्टिगेशन प्रोसेस के लिए अपना बयान देने जा रहे थे दिल्ली, उन्हें ट्रक टक्कर दे देती है एंड ही डाइज। दूसरे गवाह थे रामनाथ जो कि शास्त्री जी के पर्सनल सर्वेंट थे। रामनाथ शास्त्री जी के साथ ताशकंद गए थे और उनकी डेथ साइट पे मौजूद भी थे, पर जब वो अपना बयान देने पार्लियामेंट जा रहे थे उन्हें भी एक गाड़ी टक्कर दे देती है, जिसकी वजह से वो दोनों पैर खो बैठते हैं और उनकी याददाश्त चली जाती है। लाइक सीरियसली चैतन्य, डू यू हैव एन ओपिनियन ऑन दिस?
ये कोई कोइंसिडेंस तो नहीं लगता। एक उनके डॉक्टर, एक उनके पर्सनल सेक्रेटरी जो थे, असिस्टेंट थे, both of them were silenced.
And Yadas Chale Jana, really, that sounds like a plot from some soap opera.
It certainly does. Anyhow, this was kept under the carpet in the name of more in-depth investigations. But when asked, इसके बाद जब 2009 में अनुज धर ने, जो कि एक जर्नलिस्ट और CIA आईज ऑन द साउथ एशिया बुक के लेखक रहे हैं, इंडियन PMO से राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन एक्ट के चलते शास्त्री जी के डेथ से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशंस को डिस्क्लोज करने को कहा, तो PMO ने यह रिप्लाई दिया कि उनके पास शास्त्री जी के डेथ से रिलेटेड हाईली क्लासिफाइड डॉक्यूमेंट्स है, पर वो डिस्क्लोज नहीं किए जा सकते, एज उससे भारत के फॉरेन रिलेशंस खराब होने का डर था और देश में रायट्स भी होने की संभावनाएं थी.
Fishy again, like it says at full volume. But there's something that can't be revealed, right?
Certainly is. Well, it started when Mrs. Lalita Shastri filed a case on the 2nd October 1970, which was also the 66th birthday of Lal Bahadur Shastri, to investigate Shastriji's mysterious death. It still lies classified.
That means the truth still remains classified.
It does. There are so many theories that keep going along with it. Because first of all, he was in Tashkent, which was controlled by the Soviet Union. Soviet Union, the Russians have perhaps the best spy agency back then, which was called as KGB. Extremely notorious set of people. So they were trained, and they were highly trained as if they could kill a person, and the reason of the death could not be ascertained by the best of doctors. So was it the KGB? Was it someone else? Was it a natural death? ये सवालों का जवाब तो हमें नहीं मिलेगा.
That's like way too much to think about. So friends, ये थी all about the conspiracy theories and speculations regarding Lal Bahadur Shastri's death, which still hasn't found a full stop to it. But because of his wisdom, thinking and leadership, his words still remain in our hearts. That's all in today's episode. See you in the next one with some more interesting and curious conspiracy theories, only on Mind Wars YouTube channel.
Till then, keep playing Mind Wars Quiz on the Z5 app.